Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks for organizing your ratchet straps and loose ends. In case you missed it, I did a review of this DeWalt Ratchet Strap set, and a couple of my viewers asked for a dedicated video showing the following methods in greater detail. So pretend you have something ratcheted down and you have all of this extra strap. You'll want to roll it into a circle and leave a little space in the center. Then when you get close to the handle portion, pull the loose strap up through the center and then pull the whole circle through again so it's looped onto itself twice. If you need to, you can tighten the ratchet strap a couple clicks and that'll stay put. The other way is similar, but you roll the loose end up into a flat ribbon shape. When you get close to the ratchet handle, take the ribbon and slide it underneath the tight strap. Then bring it around and set it back on top. And then roll it up to look kind of like a bow tie, taking out any slack. And then if you need to, like before, you can crank the ratchet to secure it. When you're all finished and you want to store the set until next use, separate each section. I like to start with the hook on the long side and just roll it onto itself. And then when you get close to the end, leave about 1 foot in length. Do the same thing with the other side that has the handle and then set it on top of the long side. Then bring the loose end around through the spool twice. Crank the ratchet a couple times and now it's ready to store. Hope this video was helpful and I'll see you next time.